Hi everyone, it's Marcy here from stampinwithmarcy.com, and today I want to share with you this beautiful card I created using the brand new Layered Leaves 3D Dynamic Textured Impressions Embossing Folder and the beautiful Bouquet stamp set. It's photopolymer, and I purchased this stamp set because of all of the great sentiments in it. You can never go wrong with a stamp set that is filled with great sentiments, in my opinion. So let's get started. So to create the embossed background, because this embossing folder is so much thicker than our regular embossing folders, to get that really deep impression, you need to take your cardstock and give it a quick little mist with your Stampin' spritzer. So this is just filled with water. We sell them 2 in a package. Okay, so I'll do this off camera. 1, 2. I like to mist both sides. You can see just a little bit of the water there, and then I put it in my embossing folder. Line it up straight at the top. And with the embossing folders, it's very important when you put it through your big shot that you put it through with the seam goes in first. So that way you're not causing it to warp or crack. It's even pressure on your embossing folder. So let me just crank that through. And with the thicker embossing folders, you only need your one plate on your big shot because it is so thick. So there we go. It's all done. So I'm just going to set that aside for a moment, and I'm going to stamp the circle here. It's one of the ovals, the Stitched Shapes Framelits is what I've used. I've used the largest one for my very vanilla oval, and then I've used the largest of the scalloped layering ovals as well. So my card is stamped simply with the So Saffron ink pad and the Memento Tuxedo Black. So what I have done first is I have stamped my sentiment so that way I can judge whereabouts I want to put my flowers. And because it is photopolymer, I have our paper pierce mat underneath, so that way it gives you a much nicer stamped image. Okay, so we just random stamp. So that is my darkest image, and then I'm going to go in again and I am going to stamp off and then stamp again on my oval. And I'm just turning my stamp slightly so that it's not all in the going in the same direction. And then I'm taking the little stamen center in my Tuxedo Black as well. And there you have it. The center is all stamped. Quick, easy peasy. Not a lot of colors to deal with. It just the black and then the saffron. Okay, and then, as I've said before, I like to use the mono, the Tombow Mono Liquid Glue. Now the measurements for my card are 8.5 by 5.5, and it is scored at 4 1/4. And then my very vanilla piece here is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. So then I have my gold 1/4 inch natural trim and some gold metallic thread that you can see I have underneath my card here, just tucked underneath. So first, because I want my metallic thread here on this side here, the left side, I'm going to take some snail there, and I'm going to take my thread, and I like to take 3 fingers and wrap it around 1, 2, 3, 4, and then add another finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. It just, by doing that, it's going to give you varying lengths of thread, so it's not all the same length, so you're going to get a bit of a different look. And then just stick it down on there. Then I'm going to take my trim and kind of fold it in half like it's a bit of a ribbon, like that. Figure out whereabouts I want it to go. And I feel like I'm all fumble fingers tonight. Cross it like that. And then I'm going to take a few dimensionals. I want to use quite a few on here because of my embossed background and to keep my ribbon in place. So there, I've just flipped it over. And here we go. Now, if you don't have a demonstrator and you are in Canada, go to my blog, www.stampinwithmarcy.com, and request a catalog. I'd be more than happy to send one out to you. You can also shop in my online store there as well. You just click the Shop Now button at the top of the page. Okay, and then I just have to Nip the ends off here to make it a little shorter, and there you have it. So there's my original and the one I made tonight with you. I hope you liked today's card. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will be back again soon with another video tutorial. Thanks so much. Bye.